Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Well, it happened. We put a poll this morning, would we get a sell-off on YouTube and on Twitter? And it's happened. We've had a sell-off. Not that bad, I must say, only down 0.88, but nevertheless, we're down. I actually think we're going to get a rebound into the close today. That's what I actually think. So even though we voted and said no sell-off, it might not be. Time the bell goes. We'll have to see. Anyway, let's get into our trades and positions, and let's look at our poll. We put this out earlier, and with such great results with Amazon, will we see, thank you Leah for my coffee, my coffee's just arrived behind me, will we see a sell-off into the close? So let's have a look at it here. As you can see, with such great results last night with Amazon, will we see a sell-off Friday? Sell-off Friday today. Please vote and leave me your thoughts. 57% said no, we won't. Well, we have had so far, but let's see if it rectifies in the last 58.5 minutes. Let's see if it does. We also asked you another question as well, and this is my other Twitter post here. I just bought more Virgin Galactic, average now 396. I see the new low at 3. After what I learned from the earnings, are you buying? Yes, 45%. No, 41, and undecided 12.5%. So if you'd like to vote on any of those polls, they are at the top of my Twitter account. Let me give you the Twitter account there. There it is if you want to go and vote on it and leave your say and your comment. Dr. Dremel over there on Rumble. I couldn't think of the name then for a moment. Let me just come into you. I'll just give you the Twitter. There it is. So I've given you guys the Twitter poll if you want to vote on that. I'll just quickly jump into Facebook and do the same thing as well, so we can share the Facebook poll as well for those of you who wish to take part in that. There you go. If you want to... Dexis has just subscribed to me. Thank you, Dexis, for your support to the channel. Where are we now? We're at 9,996. Well, that's a quick jump. Let's see if it stays there this time, eh? 9,996. And we got to 10,000 last night. If you didn't see the video, I put out the video just a short while ago on my channel where we actually... 9,900... Oh, hang on. Look, 9,998. It's going round again to 10,000 live on the show. I will tell you, we actually did 10,000 last night. If you've not yet seen the video, this is when I celebrated it. I did Robbie Williams, Let Me Entertain You. Let me share with you on the screen. This is the moment we actually... 9,999. This is the moment we actually went 10,000 last night, and then 25 people unsubscribed. And it's back. 10,000 is back again. There we go. Let's see how long it lasts this time. Last night I was told by a Twitter post, Martyn Lucas is just about to get to 10,000. Got really excited, and then all of a sudden 25 people unsubscribed in 1 second. I know exactly who was doing it, what was going on. It was quite entertaining at the time. So I did Let Me Entertain You. But look at that, 10,000 subscribers. Brilliant. Hey, how very exciting. I love it. Thank you ever so much, everybody, because every person is a... there's the... If you want to go and check out that one. That last night we did it. But yeah, we're back up again now. Got a lot of videos starting to trend now. Let's see if we can hold it this time. It's very, very exciting. Should we have some fireworks? We probably should, shouldn't we? Should we have some fireworks? We probably should. So let's do it. Let's do the fireworks. Let's do... Hang on. Have we got any... Have we got any fireworks? We probably should. Hang on. Where's the fireworks? There we go. Let's do a... I've got an overlay here somewhere, haven't I? A celebration overlay. That's it. Right, you ready? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Hey! Congratulations. We're at 10,000 again. I love it. Fantastic. There we go. Leonardo DiCaprio. Thanks for that, mate. Congratulations. Appreciate it. Oh, yay. There you go. Bit of fireworks. There you go. You got to have some fun, right? Okay, there we go. Thank you ever so much, everybody who took part in that. So if you want to see how I celebrated it last night, let me give you the link of the moment it went through for the first time, and then 25 decided to unsubscribe in like 10 seconds or 1 second or whatever. Let me give you the link. There you go. It's gone down to 10,000 again. See, it's happening again. All right, there you go. There is the there's the link for last night, and you can actually see what I did if I just fast forward it a little bit. You can see it happens live. This is the moment it happened for the very first time, and this was the real, genuine time it happened, because you can see what's happening now isn't the real deal, because it's going back down again. People are enjoying it. Anyway, there you go. So that's the moment it happened last night. If you want to go and check that out live, that happened. Yeah, entertain you. All right, so there you go. That was the real subscribers, the real fans, the members of the channel, and all that kind of stuff. And what we've got now is a little campaign happening on Reddit and Twitter, who find it funny to do this, which at first it upset me. Now I just think, oh, this is just the way it is. But for those of you playing around with it, the reason why 10,000 is so important to me is because there are fundraisers we want to do on YouTube, and you can have the opportunity to fundraise without fees from YouTube at 10,000. So when you finish messing and larking around, we want to get back to business, and we want to raise some money for charity. So anyway, we want to do some good work. That's why we want 10,000 subscribers. So but you keep messing around, it keeps preventing us from doing it. But it is what it is. So to Leah, what sort of people get up in the morning and plan to do things to disrupt and be unpleasant? Can you imagine living in a world like that, where you get up in the morning and you go, right, today I'm gonna do everything I can to ruin someone's day. These are the sad sort of people that exist. Never understand it. Anyway, good luck to you. You won't be winning for much longer. Thanks, Leah. Oh, hang on, I missed some comments. Oh, some comments. Stormy Norman was unhappy yesterday. I'm glad that you got the chance to see. Did you see the first video this morning, the live show? I hope that's what you were referring to. I explained the whole thing, so I hope that's what you were referring to. That was this morning. And humility all around, fair play, and redirect to all. Absolutely great. And Stormy Norman decided to come back and be a silver member now. So it's very, very nice of you. Thank you ever so much indeed. Hello, Mike. Hello, Senor. Hi, Bill. Hello, everybody. Let me go through the comments. Raphael, below the 10,000 again. I know. Can you believe it? It's happening again. It's silly people who are just pointless people. I've seen it. They don't think I know. I've got some secret accounts that I use on Reddit and Twitter. I know who's doing it, what they're doing it for, and they've actually blocked me so they don't think that I can read their comments and what they're saying about me. But what they don't realize is I have other accounts, so I'm just as smart as you are. I can do exactly what you're doing. And the difference is, you're achieving nothing in your life and you feel it's fun to try to ruin the party for everybody else. But the reality is, when we get to 10,000 and we go flying past it, which we will today and tomorrow, we can start doing fundraisers for people that really need our support, and your silly games will be over. I don't know what the point of it is, but anyway, it is what it is. I've learned now, when we get to 100,000 subscribers, I will be fully aware of this, and I have already a plan in place so they can't do it again. But I know exactly how they're doing it and why they're doing it, and it's just silly. Craig, good evening, family. How are you? JP Rothschild, I thought you already had 1 million subscribers. JP Rothschild, I've explained this, all right, I don't know how many times. How can I say I have 1 million? This is the sort of thing that people say, right? This is why people do silly things online. How could I possibly say I have 1 million subscribers? Everybody can see how many subscribers I have. It's underneath every single video. It's written everywhere. I don't make up subscribers. What I actually said was, because look, it's there, look. It tells you how many subscribers I've got. I can't make it up. I said to you, I had 1 million views. And again, you can't make that up either. I had 1 million views. And the day we went for 1 million views, we had a party and we celebrated and we had some fun and we got 1 million views. So yes, that's what I said. Just so we're clear. I just want to make sure everybody, knows. Because there are people saying these things and it's not true. Strange to get a sell-off at this late in the day. I think it's gonna bounce back in a minute though. I'm the winner today. Aha, down 2.39. Hey, Raphael, we'll find out in a minute. So JP Rothschild, I hope now you know what I mean. I've answered the question, right? Thanks, Leah. Got my coffee. I'm going to go and grab it now. 1 million views. Thank you, Mike, for explaining that to him. Thank you. OKXCom, 10,000. There you go. Yeah, just to knock it back down again. Rothschild, need to give correct info from now on. It's important. Because people look at what you're saying and think, Martyn Lucas said, and no, Martyn Lucas never said anything like it. Evening all, instead of calling it a sell-off Friday, we can rename it Kick the what? Open for a bounce back on prices. I'm sure it will. Matt Coverley, thank you. Mike, yeah, we went through 10,000 again. Well, flipping deserved. Thank you ever so much, Storm and Norman. I appreciate it. Do I trade live on Binance? No, I don't. No, I do not trade live on Binance. I'm trading live here on YouTube and 20 different broadcast channels, but I use Robinhood. Good, Martin. Thank you. They are nollifers. I know. Yalentin, why? They're just a bunch of sad losers that think it's funny they can't achieve anything for themselves. So, and these are the same people that want to be on my channel that I won't let back on my channel. So that's like, hey, I know what we can do. We can sit around, create loads of fake accounts. We can bump it up and then we can drop it down. But of course, we're growing every day. What they do, they arm themselves with more and more subscribers. So you were closer than you wasn't as close as you thought you were. So as you get closer, they dump it all and it makes them feel important because they don't achieve anything of their own. Anyway, they don't deserve a second of airtime, Martin. You're absolutely right. You're absolutely right, Stormin. Absolutely right. They've had enough, right? I thought you had 1 million subscribers already. JP Rothschild, we've explained it now several times. 1 million. I'm making a call. Matt Coverley, go for it. Go for it. Yep. Beyblade. I'm going to put that on the screen. Yes. Yes, you're absolutely right. I know who's doing it. I'm seeing the comments. I'm in as an unknown person. I know exactly what they're doing. I know exactly who's doing it. And Beyblade, there you go. It's a bunch of BS. I might as well just tell you it is. It's a bunch of BSV people again, drawing more attention to the scamminess of that community. Isn't it awful? The very community that want me to talk great things about BSV is the very community, again, trying to be manipulative and horrible and pointless. And again, demonstrating why I don't own BSV anymore. That whole crypto area, that whole crypto sector, awful. Yeah, Mike knew who it was. And if you go and look on Reddit and Twitter, you can see it for yourself. It's not even hard to find it. A couple of months ago, you said you had 1 million subscribers. You're all working real hard and getting no. JP Rothschild, I'm not going to answer you again. 1 million viewers. We've explained it time and time again. I wouldn't mind an SDNL review when you have time. SNDL. You're interested in that. I prefer Tilray, But Signor Piloto Holt, of course we'll do that for you. With the greatest of pleasure, I will do that for you. I don't think it will be today, but it will do it on a morning show when you're back. Very happy. Ask me in the morning, because today's show is very, very short. I'm cutting the show right on the bell, so there we go. Today's 10,000 are real and meant to keep growing on a daily basis. Congratulations, Juan Carlos. Very, very kind of you. Yeah, there's not many trolls left now because they've unsubscribed, and as they unsubscribe, we're still gaining, and after a while, they can't do anything anymore. So they become powerless. They were powerless in the first place, but that's how it works. I've signed up as a bronze member earlier today. Oh, wow. But I don't see a badge next to my name in the chat. Yes, you have. You have a badge next to your name. I can see it. I'm looking right at it. You certainly do have a badge next to your name. Valentin White. Look, right there. Valentin White. There you are. There's your badge. You have a blue badge right there, look. Now, not only do you get recognized as a member, you can have members-only chats, you can poll, you can also be on Discord, you can call into the show, celebrate a birthday. There's many, many benefits and perks that you can now have as a member. So welcome to our show. Let me give you Discord so you can go over there. It will take 10 minutes for you to go through and get upgraded. I do it manually on the show to make sure that I've explained it all to you. So there we go. Let me give you the Discord link. When you go to Discord, you will come to the welcome all screen here. See the welcome all? You will see the welcome all here and come in and be down here, and I will upgrade you here live on the show. If you do that now, it'll take 10 minutes. I'll happily do that once you arrive, and you'll get other perks and benefits. And if you look below the homepage of the video, at the homepage of the channel, you'll see all the members only videos here. And you get to see all the videos concerning the people behind all the fake accounts and trying to bring us down and everything. You see all about it over there as well. So there's many, many things you get to learn about the channel once you are a member. All right, let me go back to here again. And thank you very much for your membership. That's very, very kind of you. Thank you for your support of the channel. Where are you from, by the way? We might be able to fly a flag from you if you are a new member from a new country. Anyway, yes, we see it. Bablet, I saw your Twitter and saw a big BSV user retweet and call their followers to subscribe to your channel. Yeah, you saw that, right? Yeah, basically what happened is they think isn't that terrible? You're trying to promote the quality of BSV, and yet you're just scamming everything. It just advertises the sort of people that you are. Yeah, there were lots of posts, and then everyone shared it, and then everyone said, let's all subscribe just so we can unsubscribe. Sad people. And that's why I left that community. I got nothing to do with it anymore. Yes, you have it, says Juan Carlos. Amazing to see Amazon soaring today. You would think with such a large market cap to begin with, such big movements in the upside wouldn't happen. No, not at all. It's why I invest heavily in Amazon. I see a great future for Amazon. Not just for the fact it's online shopping, for the medical, for the AI. There's so much that they are doing. There's so far to go. And also they invest, you see, in AI. They invest in Rivian. They invest in IonQ. They are also investing now heavily in hydrogen. So a lot going on with Amazon shares. Amazon's virtually an ETF now. You can own Amazon and be involved in everything. So it's not a bad business to be in. Anyway, I consider blue badge, says Raphael. Oh, okay, awesome. Maybe it's a glitch on my tablet then. Okay, good. Guys, how is it portfolio going for everyone going? Negative 2.39. Let's have a look. I'm down 0.95 at the moment, Raphael. Randy is down 0.96, 1.3 now. I'm from Russia. Valentin, why? You're from Russia? I'm a little bit blown away. Hang on. Are you from? Because I'd like you to once you get onto Discord. Once you get onto Discord, I would like you to verify that, if you wouldn't mind, because people cannot subscribe to me in Russia because they can't member me in Russia because of sanctions put on YouTube against Russia. So people are unable to become a member in Russia. So I'd love you to, because I'm sure you appreciate, we get lots of people that try to pretend to be things they're not. If you could somehow on Discord send me something in so I can verify that, because we want to keep our information accurate. I would love to add you, because we do not have anyone from Russia. That would be the 38th country. So I'm going to write Yalentin, write that down. So I'm going to keep a note of that, Yalentin, because I am aware that you can't do it. Yalentin Y, member in Russia. I would love to add you and have the flag, because we don't yet have anyone from Russia as a member of our channel, and I would love it, because I speak, I put my videos out in Russian every day. I don't know if anyone realizes that, but I do. I'm down 0.4, says Ben. Yeah, fair point. Hydrogen AI is a win-win. Exactly. VPN, it could be. It could be. Did you see that Alphabet sold their... Yes, I did see that, but that doesn't concern me. They made a lot of money from it. They trimmed back. That's not a problem. Doesn't mean to say it's no good anymore. They've trimmed back. They are using a VPN. It's possible. We don't need VPN for YouTube, only Instagram or Facebook. Ah, well, I've got members in Russia that can't become members, and I've checked it. It says it's not verified. And I have a UK bank card too, so I can do it that way. That's annoying, says Ben. I'm up 3.5%. Let me go and grab my coffee a sec. It's a latte. Oh, look at this. I've got a lovely latte from Leah. There you go. Thank you, Leah. So, anyway. Martin, the new Russian members, hang on. Martin, the new Russian members start name with a V. Because you pronounce it with a Y. Aha, so it's not Valentin, it's Yalentin. Yalentin. Is that right? Martin, the new Russian member, his name starts with a V because you're pronouncing it with a Y. Valentin. I'm or at least that's what I hear. I'm confused now. Martin, I've been missing for a week with the birth of my daughter, but please tell me, have you reopened a position with Virgin Galactic? Yes, I have. Yes, I have, Brandon Harris. I do have a position with Virgin Galactic. I put videos out about it, and I've started to buy in. Yes, I have. It's a long-term play, though. It's not really a scout position anymore. I never use Discord, really. I will sort it out tomorrow. A bit tired after working week. Okay. No, the other way. No, the other way round. I'm a bit confused. Can you just repeat it again? Should see a bounce on space right about now. Right about now. I like that. The chartist said, should see a bounce on Virgin Galactic right about now. Okay. And it didn't happen. So we'll hope so. I mean, that would be great, wouldn't it? V as in Victor. Okay. Valentin. So it's Valentin. Sorry, maybe I misheard. I thought you were saying Yalentin. No, Valentin. That's okay, Juan Carlos. Thank you for trying to help me. It's a bounce into the 420s. Too much to ask. Yeah, it would be nice, wouldn't it? Anyway. So I'll leave you with that. I can't wait to add you. Do you know what? Do you know what? I'm not going to ask Valentin to prove that he's from Russia. I'm not going to do that. I am going to take him on his word, and I am going to check again. So I am going to add a 38th member. I am going to do it, a 38th country. And let me just double check. Chile, USA, UK, Australia. Let me add it now. Turkey, Italy, Ireland, Portugal, Uruguay, Canada, Uganda, Lebanon, Norway, South Africa, Argentina, Germany, Dominican Republic, Mexico, Denmark, Mauritius, Czech Republic, Lithuania, Romania, Morocco, Costa Rica, Bosnia, Herzegovina, Croatia, Israel, Netherlands, Rwanda, Palestine, Iran, Jamaica, Taiwan, South Korea, Ecuador, France, and now Russia. Russia has been added. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add the Russian flag to our audience here. We do have a member from Russia now, so we're going to do that. And I'm going to just see if, I'm going to do some checks because I want to make sure everything's right. Here we go. Okay, so let's add. I'm just adding now Russian flag. We've got a member now from Russia. Wonderful stuff. Thank you very much for being a member of our community. Let me add the Russian flag. There we go. Okay. Okay, here we go. Now you will see, if you keep watching, you will see I've added your country flag now. You are now a member of our family. Welcome to the show. Okay, if you keep watching, we've now got 38 countries, including Russia. Right at the end, you'll see Russia come up. Let me do the Discord now. Then, how I don't know how you can. I've got no idea, to be honest. I don't know. I'm just going to take you at your word because that's the only thing to do, really, isn't it? Let me give you the Discord link, so if you want to come in, that would be great. There you go. There's the Discord link. And if you keep watching, in the next couple of seconds, you will see Russian flag appears on the screen. There's Israel. Look. We've got Uganda, of course. South Africa. It's amazing, isn't it? France. There you go. There is Jamaica there. There you go. There's Russia. Can you see it just above my head? Just going past my head. There you go. There is your flag. So, Valentin Y, you now have joined our family. All right. 16 subs away from 500. Thanks to you all. Shall we do a member? It is Friday. That's a very subtle way of doing it. Good to have you back, Martin. It's great to be back. MSK, I put a big apology out this morning explaining exactly what happened. Did you this morning go and watch MSK and Stormy Norman? Did you go and watch the video this morning explaining everything? Thanks, Valentin. You're very, very welcome. Right, we are getting a sell-off. Virgin Galactic's now down 6%. Oh, dear, oh, dear. I hope we're not going to go the way of Virgin Orbit. I've said this company can go bankrupt, even though I'm buying back in slowly. I want to be very, very careful. Anyway, let's hope it doesn't come to that, right? Anyway, let's have a quick sip of coffee. So here we go. The Queen of Self-Braiding. I'm going to do it. Here we go. Queen of Self-Braiding. Here we go. All right, she needs 15 subscribers. All right, this is the Queen's. We're going to do this. We like to do this for our members from time to time. If you're a silver member and upwards, we do stuff like this for you. You ready? There is the Queen of Self-Braiding's YouTube channel. She's one of our members. She supported our channel since the very, very beginning. She's a real follower, a real member. She's been silver since day one. She's always been there. She's always been supported. That's why she has a gold badge. She's been a member now for at least a year. She'll be coming up to her 2 years soon. There is the Queen of Self-Braiding. Now you can see she's at 485. She said she needs 15 to get to 500 subscribers. Shall we help her out? Shall we help her out? Can you see it's 485 just there? Can you see it? 485. Let's refresh it. Let's see if anyone can do it. 486. There we go. We'll come back in a minute and we'll see if we can get her up to 500. Wouldn't that be wonderful? Brilliant. Anyway, MSK, I was just talking to you a moment ago. This morning, if you go to the homepage of the channel, and if you look at past live streams, this morning's show, there's this morning's show. About 10 minutes into the show, I explain and I apologize about yesterday, the confusion, upsetting people feeling left out, excluded. I give a full apology in this video, and I explained why and what was going on and how and so on. So go and have a look. And if you'd like to see the moment when I went to 10,000 subscribers, it was last night. It happened live. I was there. Here's the video. This is what happened when I did it. The studio went crazy. And it was just a couple of moments before a bunch of scammers on BSV community started to all subscribe and then all unsubscribe just to make a silly point anyway. But that's what they do. So anyway, there it is. But go and have a little look at the moment it happened if you'd like to. All right. We've got 28 minutes to go before the market closes. All right. Shall we have a look at the Queen's YouTube channel? 486. It's now moved to 488. We've gained a 3. Bearing in mind, most people here on our channel have already subscribed to the Queen. We do this for you. If you are a silver member, we love to help you. All right. We love to help people grow and support you in any way we can. All right. Delph is in the house. Happy you're back, Martin. It's great to be back. Welcome back. I was subscribed to Chris' channel, but all I have is forehead to wash these days. Yeah, I'm the same, mate. I'm right with you. Martyn Lucas, I saw the 10,000 moment too. Don't worry. Oh, good. I'm glad about it. Hi all. Late to the party. Apologies. Hey, don't worry about that, mate. Don't worry about that. No worries at all. All right. Anyway. What is your market prediction, Martin, for the next 2 to 4 weeks? Well, I have to say, I think I said we'd have a pause last FOMC report. I really feel it's due. I think it would be irresponsible to say the economy is great. It's not. Inflation is coming down, however, consistently. The jobs report this morning wasn't too bad. I just think to keep raising rates continually over and over again, putting more and more pain when you can just leave it where it is for longer is enough. So I honestly think that we should have a pause. And of course, if we have a pause, it does encourage the markets to go up again. So, which is great for all us investors. We deserve a good bull rally. We've had a decent rally this year, but seeing the earnings reports coming in, I mean, Amazon is flying away, right? A great report. Robinhood is profitable. McDonald's did a great report. Tizro did a great report. Even Virgin Galactic had a good report. You know, we deserve the market to grow this year. But with caution, now I've paid off my computer, I'm starting to mass up cash. I am starting to just leave my money in because we talked about bonds this morning. And to be perfectly honest, with what Robinhood are paying, you don't need a bond, do you? You can just put your money in uninvested cash and earn 4.97. and I want to start doing that. Now, some other great news. Robinhood on their earnings reported that they're doing a 3% match. 3% match. So if you've already got a Roth and you've had a match already from your employer, you can get another 3% on your Roth for free. It's about $235, free money. So this is my strategy. On the 21st of September, I will next get paid from YouTube. I will bring in as much money as I can. I can start increasing from $4 a week to maybe 20, 30, 40 a week. I don't know because I don't have the computer anymore. Start increasing it. Start loading up my cash. Start earning some money. Don't buy anything else. Only because I think for the rest of the year, we're not going to rally much more. I think interest rates will stay where they are. We'll go a little bit, but not much. And then, of course, we'll have tax harvesting in December and January for tax reasons. So then things will just trim off a little bit. So there's no real point in just piling into the stocks. I'm in enough. I think start putting money in cash, earning some interest. January the 1st, I will take out $7,500 back into my bank or whatever the Roth IRA limit is. January the 2nd, when the money's arrived, I send it back in again. Into my Roth IRA and earn a 3% match. Then I have $210 or $235 of free money. So my account will go up by $235 instantly. I've now got money to trade on because I want my Roth IRA to be a place where I can trade more. My Roth IRA is smaller than my main account. I want my Roth IRA to be bigger because I want to be able to buy in some Tesla, trim off the top, buy back, and do all of it tax-free. So that's what I want to do. That's my plan for the rest of the year. All right, that's the way I see it going. Anyway, let's go back to the Queen of Self-Braiding. She was at 485, right? She was at 485. We got her up to 488. Let's have one more go. 488. Oh, it didn't move. I think everyone's already done it. So if you haven't done it, one last time, big shout out for one of our silver members. We like to help people and we support everyone that supports us. So there you go. There's a YouTube channel. If we can get just a couple more, she'd be delighted. But we gained a 3. And the thing is, nearly everybody here has already subscribed to her anyway. So that's probably why. Anyway, great stuff. What you want to do, Queen, what you want to do is be really nice to me. And then on the flight on the 10th of August, when we have 22,000 people watching, that's when you want me to say, can you mention my channel? That's when you want to say it. You want to say it when there's 22,000 people watching, like last time. That's what you want. Right. One last look. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 288, 289. You got 4, Queen. There you go. I'm sure she's delighted with that. Very, very good. And go and have a look. Don't just subscribe. Go and have a little look. Evening all. Jojo S. Here he is. Jojo S. I want to, first of all, Jojo S., I was hoping to see you today. First of all, thank you for that tip last night. Me and Leah did have a drink on you. Thank you very much indeed. Appreciate that. I also want to point you to the opening bell show this morning, past live stream on the homepage. This was this morning's show. Go here, and you can see my apology to you and all the members about what went wrong yesterday. So in the first 10 minutes of the show, I do a full apology. So please go and check that out. And then if you want to see last night when we went through 10,000 subscribers, there it is. This is the live moment. It happened last night when it happened. It happened live. I kept going all day until it did, and it happened last night. And the studio went mad with Robbie Williams, Let Me Entertain You. All right, there it is. 1,000 times 5 cents. That sounds good to me, Queen. I'm easily bought. Yeah, give me 1,000 times 5 cents, and I'm there. I'm there with it. Yeah, I'm definitely there with it. All right. Anyway, brilliant stuff. So we're climbing back up again to the 10,000 after all the trolls and the BSV community came together, and about 25 all created accounts and then unsubscribed in 1 second. Unfortunately, the channel is growing again, so they can't do anything about it anymore. So we're going back up again now. So there we go. We might actually hit 10,000 for real in a minute, and it stay there. Anyway, we shall see. We got 20 minutes to go. Congratulations. Thank you very much, Queen. I appreciate it very, very much indeed. Brilliant. Well done. You worked hard for it. Thank you, mate. I appreciate it. Martyn, what do you think of Sunrun Inc? Symbol RUN. I don't know anything about that one. We are going to review the other sundial, I think it was, for one of our members. We'll do it on Monday. We will do that. If you want me to review a stock for you, I can do a full back test, a 10-minute review, but it is a members only perk, I'm afraid, because I spend 10 minutes just talking to you and doing something for you. 10,000 subs, LFG. What's LFG? I don't know what LFG stands for. I think you might have to do a bit of Robbie again live tonight with the family online. I wasn't going to do a Friday night tonight. I was going to have a night off. I just fancied a bit of a break. It's been quite an emotional week, and I was going to take a break tonight. So tonight I wasn't thinking about doing a Friday night is music night. I know it's the first one we've not done we've been doing it every week now for a couple of months, but I thought LFG means let's... Oh, I see. Fair enough. Okay, thanks for explaining that, Phantom Pizza. I had no idea. Thanks, Queen. Yeah. You got all these... Oh, look. Who was it who said a minute ago that Virgin Galactic's going to bounce here? It didn't go up yesterday, remember? Thursday night, normally. But anyway, thank you, Delph. Anyway, we're just stuck there at 9997. There he goes. Uh, 15 minutes ago. Definitely take a break, yeah. It's been a very stressful week. And it's wonderful to have these targets, but I don't want to focus too much on the numbers like that going forward. I just want to focus on making videos, enjoying what I'm doing, being with you, and not giving any airtime to people that just wake up in the morning to try and spoil things. I just think life is too short. Can you imagine? Can you imagine one day? I put this to you. The BSV crowd who was sitting there trying to be miserable. One day, in 50 years from now, 60 years from now, probably none of us here will be alive. Okay? And if you're floating around in heaven or in space or whatever you believe, you're floating around and you'll think to yourself, what did I do when I was alive? And if you can tell yourself you got up every day and you tried to make people happy and do good things, then I would imagine you could smile and think, my life was of some use. If, however, you're the sort of people in your little club which spend every moment trying to ruin everything, do you feel proud of yourself? Do you feel proud that you think, right, when I was alive, what did I used to do? I used to get up and I used to think of ways how to ruin people's lives. I used to try and spoil the fun. I used to make it miserable for people. I used to do nothing but try to be a pain in the arse. Now, maybe because of the sort of person that you are, you will have pride in that and you'll think that makes me great. Well, probably. But I wish you the very best. But I can't think like you, I'm afraid. And 99% of the human race don't either. Anyway. Hi, I just tuned in. Congratulations, Neil. Thank you. I did. This is the bottom I think I did. I think it's the bottom, I think, of a falling wedge. Okay. I'm not really a great believer in all the patterns and stuff like that. I mean, certain trigger points on charts make sense, but the patterns that we as humans have put on certain things, at this point, this is what happens, is really, I don't know, a way to invest, I don't think. I bought back in because there's a potential road to profitability, but that's why I've only bought a small amount, not gone ridiculous on it. Anyway, yes, we all need a break. Hi, Mike. Hi, Tio. See, the counter is going up when you're actually live. Tio roll. Tio roll, I explained it all in the video. It's got nothing to do with me being live. Absolutely nothing at all. But you know, if you watched my video this morning, and my apology to you, you will understand exactly what happened. And it's in the opening bell this morning. Go on the homepage, look for the upcoming live streams. Sorry, the past live streams. You'll see the morning show, and I explain exactly what happened, who did it, how it happened. I apologize for letting you all down and not being live with you when I should have been, and why I did it. Anyway, de-stress, Martin. You deserve it. Thanks, Stephen. Yeah, I'm gonna chill out. I'm gonna chill out. I will be sleeping peacefully. Oh goodness, I will be sleeping peacefully. I know, Queen, because you spend every day just trying to be nice, right? You'll be sleeping I hope I will be too. I'm not so sure our little gang on BSV and the BSV Twitters and Redditors will be. They'll be like, well, I just spent my life trying to be a pain in the ass, and I'm proud of that. Speak for yourself. I'm going to live forever, and I haven't been proven wrong yet. I like that. I think that's a good one. Speak for yourself. I'm going to live forever, and I haven't been proven wrong yet. I like it. You haven't been proven wrong until you're wrong, right? The Queen of... I thought that was funny. Didn't Taylor Swift sing a song about knockers and haters? It didn't hurt her a bit. Keep the grin above your chin. Keep the grin above your chin. I get it. I see where you're coming from. I understand where you're going with that. Anyway, we've got, how long we got to go? 10 minutes to go. All right. Okay. Portfolio is still going down. Let's have a look at what's moving. Virgin Galactic, I'm losing money. I'm only down $94 though, so it's a safe place to be right now. I think 3 is the bottom, right? The S&P going down. I trimmed off the top. Amazon, it's hardly trimmed at all, has it? Really, I'm glad I've got my money in there. That's a big day for Apple, folks. Down 4%, 5% in a day. That's a bad day for Apple. Next year Energy, we've got a week to go before the ex-dividend date. Enphase, I bought some more this morning on that dip, didn't I? Coca-Cola, remember I'm still up. I was down 4%. It became visible yesterday in the chart. We are all human. In the chat, we are all human. All have some stuff going on. And this is a bit of an escape, a coming together, a chance to talk the geeky trading stuff and have a laugh. I like it. Jojo S, spot on. It's right. Everyone's got issues to deal with. Everyone's got a life to lead. And he's dead right. And that's what this is about. That's why I was so sorry that I didn't share every moment live with you. I explained it in the video, so if you want to go know why, go and have a listen. 100% agreed, Jojo S. Absolutely right. Ay. Right, 10 minutes to go. Let me check the news. Bloomberg. What does Bloomberg have to say?
And yet to clients, that feels like we're on the sidelines.
Yeah.
and that even the language of saying, hey, just be neutral and it's okay to hold 5% treasuries and be underweight, let's say long-term bonds, which we are, that feels somehow we're on the sidelines. We're not. That's called prudent long-term asset management, right? That's called long-term strategy. I guess the question is, if we were to look back in time, 1999, 2000, 2007, 2008, 1971, going into 72 Nifty 50 crash, right? As we look back in time, everyone would say, hey, I want to sell when the markets are strong and be smart, and I want to buy when markets are down and be smart. And yet, because we're human beings, we continue to do the opposite.
Because we don't know when markets are up or down unless we, have a crystal ball or can,
yeah, exactly.
Or you use valuation, you use fundamental valuation, right? It walks you through the process, and you have to have a long-term perspective and not be thinking short-term. It's really simple. And my point of view is this: I'm not suggesting you leave the market or you stand on the sidelines or you try to grab some dramatic moment to put it in. I'm saying, with the markets run as far as it has, with the valuations, why be overweight?
Leo,
absolutely, he's right. Why would be overweight? I agree, but where I disagree, when he talked about bonds and stuff like that, I just think you're better off just putting your money in uninvested cash in your Robinhood account, earning 4.9%, a chance it might go over 5% soon, and just do that. That way you've got your money on hand daily basis. It's easy to get in, easy to get out. I think that's the way to go. Anyway. The only thing I am thinking, and I am right on the fence, sell the $2,000 profit I've made on Amazon. I've made $2,000 from Amazon. If I sell $2,000 of Amazon, I've still got $5,000 of Amazon left. I'm up $2,000. I've taken the profit off. If it goes down, I can buy some more. Or I've got $2,000 earning 4.9%. It's not a bad thing. Do I think Amazon keep running? Yeah. Do I know, is it going to earn more than 5% this year? I doubt it. I mean, it went up like 8-9% on a major beat. Well, we're not going to have a major beat now for the rest of the year. I don't think we'll have another beat like that. Next earnings could be a little bit down from here. So 5% guaranteed. If you got 5% guarantee it's going to go up, and you've got no guarantee, you got the chance of it going sideways, earning nothing, or going down 5%. Another 5%, probably unlikely. If you sell $2,000, take the profit out, and what the hell? If you miss out, so what? I mean, what that guy just said there was very sensible. One guy just said, we don't know when the top is. We haven't got a crystal ball. Who cares? You're up 40%. Is it going to keep going up? Well, nothing keeps going up. The greatest companies in the world don't just keep going up without any downtrend. I made 50% on Google. I made 50% on Microsoft. I can make 40% right now on Amazon. $2,000 profit. The only downside to it, of course, it was done on my Roth IRA, on my main account, so I will pay tax on it. Anyway, 7 minutes to go. Whatever. What are your thoughts on Google selling 90% of Robinhood? For the exact reason what we just talked about. Google sold Robinhood at the top. It's because of them and others like ARK, Cathy Wood, that it's fallen down. They didn't sell it today down here. They sold it when the earnings popped. They knew it was going to go up. So did I. I didn't know 100%, but there was a good indication that it would. They sold, and because they own so many shares, the market starts to fall. And then when the market starts to fall, the retail investors go, oh my God, it's going down. So they start to sell, so it goes down even more. And that's all that's happened. And when we all get a little bit more worried between now and the next earnings, more and more people will sell it. And they'll buy it back. Remember, you don't have to buy it back as cheap as you bought it originally. That never happens. In time, stocks go up. But all you want is each time, it's an individual trade. You buy here and you make 40%. You buy higher, because you'll have to buy higher at some point, you make another 40%. You buy higher, you make another 40%. You just keep doing that over and over again, and you start getting more and more money in your pocket, right? I mean, it's obvious. It's straightforward. So I'm kind of answering my own question. I got 6 minutes to go. Sell $2,000 worth of Amazon. Huge profit. Huge profit. Can it keep on running? How many shares do I need to sell? I've got 5 minutes to go. So 10, 15, there you go, 15 shares. And we'll put $2,000 in the bank. It popped up last night. It got as high as 143. So missing. There you go. I've done it. I've just sold $2,000 worth of Amazon. So what I've done, I've taken my profit from Amazon and I've banked it. I'm going to earn 4.9%. There we go. If I want to, I can buy something on a dip. I've done it. I've just trimmed off. That's what I did. Let me have a look. Ben, the hood price will never will recover nicely when they operate in other regions. So you don't think they'll try to compete? No, that's not why. No, Robinhood's not got any competition at all. Sell it, said Ben. Sell the profits and reinvest on something with potential. Double it again. There you go. I've just done it. $2,000 in the hand is worth $3,000 in the bush. Yeah, he's probably right. Yeah, was I right? Well, let's see. I've sold Amazon. I've taken $2,000 out of Amazon. I've taken my profits now, and yeah, there you go. That's what I did. Ben, there you go. That's what I am doing, taking profits, most of my cash, not at risk. Exactly. Stephen, I think it's a sensible thing to do. So there you go. So as you can see, I mean, why do you invest? Do you invest to be in a fan club of Amazon or any other stock? Or do you invest to invest? The very word means invest. You put something in to get more out in the future. That's like education, money, work, whatever. I've now got $2,101.85 sitting in my cash, earning 4.9%. It's as good as a bond. It's not going anywhere. It's making money. I can draw it out whenever I want. And if we wake up tomorrow and find Amazon's gone down 20%, I can buy it again, right? Anyway, 100% correct to take the profit. All right, good. I feel good about it. It's nice having so much money in cash again. I got to be honest. Right, here we go. Showtime. I mean, that's why we invest, right? Isn't that the point of investing? UFO is set to explode with this UFO hearing. NASA set to make a big announcement. A UFO is set to explode with this UFO. Hey? Jimmy Mo, what are you on about? Well played, well played thing. You're really on the ball. Well played thing. Eh? What do you mean, well played thing? What do you mean? 3, 2, 1. Oh, hello. Hang on. Something just bounced? Oh, something bounced up for a second. Then the bell was gone. Jojo S, could you repeat what you just said? We all played thing. We all played thing. You're really on the ball. Well played thing. You're really on the ball. I'm not sure what you mean by that. Anyway, never feel bad about taking profit. I've watched green turn to red way too many times. Absolutely. It's one of the best lessons you ever learn, isn't it? Of not being attached to a stock and taking profits. Yeah. Anyway. The markets are closed. We're in the after hours. Oh, Virgin Galactic went up. I think that's what it was. Virgin Galactic went up and it just... it's trying to go up. I am 84,000 in cash. I can't even imagine. I've never had $84,000 in my life. I don't even know what that looks like. Now MTDR hits 60. I can make 16 grand more. Wow, bloody hell. Hark at you. Gold. It's an Adams Family pinball. Oh, when you do well. Sorry, it's a bit... Oh, when you do well. Oh, it's an Adams fan. When you do well. Sorry, a bit obscure. Okay. Let me read it again. Well played thing. You're really... Oh, thing. Now I know. Well played thing. You're really on the ball. Okay, got you now. Never invest in penny stocks, Martin. Well, yeah. We all talk about that a lot, don't we? Okay, let's wrap up the show. Let's have a quick look for kicks and giggles and whatever. 9,997, and they're playing around again. We don't mind that. It's getting harder and harder for the little trolls to try to bring it back down now. It's getting so close. I am 300 in cash. Very nice indeed. I like it. Right, let's wrap up the show. So before we go, we'll do a little bit of maintenance. If you've not yet subscribed to the channel, go on, make our day. Subscribe and be a real person, and let's crush all the silly idiots who try to bring it down. Go on, so let's see if we can get over 10,000 subscribers live on the show again, and see if we can stay there. If you've not yet smashed the like button, please do. It helps the channel. I will see you back on Monday. We'll do day trade of the day now. Let me just do a little bit of maintenance. Here we go. Let's put a minute on the clock. Let's put a minute on the clock. Here we go. We got 40. Whoops a daisy. We got 47 watching right now. Can you see it there? Look, 47. If you like the show and you want to see more content like this, tap the like button, and then YouTube will suggest me to you. You get the idea. If you type things in that I cover, it will suggest to me, you to me, me to you, know what I mean. And you're more likely to see my live content and breaking news. If not, please do tap the down like button, and YouTube will stop showing you, and you won't get to see my content anymore. You'll be happy, I'll be happy, because we'll get a more committed audience, and you'll be happy because you won't hear from me anymore. So there you go. Do something. Don't just sit there. Either like it or down like it. I don't mind what you do. Just do something. Get involved. Be part of it all. There you go. There's that. Thank you very much for doing that. And let's have a quick look where we're at. Did we get our friend to come on to Discord? No, not yet. He'll do it over the weekend, perhaps. We're at 9,996. We go 4 to go again. And there. What's trending right now? Virgin Galactic, the flight repair. It's a flight prepare. Right, on August the 10th, we're going to cover it live. Virgin Galactic flight prepare. We're going to go live from midnight on the 10th of August. So it will run throughout the night because we can trade 24/7 on Robinhood. So if any news comes out, anything happens, we'll be aware of it. Of course, just full disclosure, Virgin Galactic does not trade 24/7. Other stocks do. There's more coming. Hopefully, Robinhood will bring SPCE, and that would be brilliant. And then we can really react to all the news throughout the night. Be very exciting. That will be. And there you go. If you've not yet checked out the moment I actually went to 10,000 for real before everybody unsubscribed from me, go and check that out and you can see what I did. And that's it from me. We'll do day trader of the day now. There you go. I want to thank 160 people through the show today. Absolutely wonderful, right? I want to thank everybody on Rumble. There are our Rumble audience. We've now got 317 followers now on Rumble, which is really, really nice. Thank you for all of that. Facebook, thank you to everybody that takes the time to tap the like button and watch me on Facebook as well. Very, very kind of you. All right. And that's a final look at the poll. So, yes, I'm buying, 44% buying, 44% no, 12% undecided. Well, we got it wrong, didn't we? We said, would it be a sell-off today? And 57% said no. Well, it definitely was a sell-off. However, I'm just looking here. What's happening here? Why have I got a line popped in there? Below. We're nearly green again. I can't believe it. On my portfolio, I'm actually, I think I'm about to go green. I don't quite know how that's happened, but it looks like I'm about to turn green. I don't know. That doesn't seem to be right to me. I think the chart's a bit skew-whiffy, to be honest. Anyway, we're seeing something move. Let me share with you what I mean. As bad as me, Joe, I always need an edit button. Are you covering Rocket Lab earnings next week? Rocket Lab earnings. The answer is on August the 8th in the after hours. Matt Coverley, yes, I am covering the earnings. You are a member, and you asked me, and I said yes, I would. So I will do that for you. Okay. Let's do day trader of the day. Let's see what's moving up. Gold, I'm not in it. S&P, Amazon, it's going down after hours. Okay, Apple, still going down. NEE, Enphase, Coca-Cola, Chevron, Tesla. Could buy some more Tesla. Folks. Anyway, I'm going to leave it to after the weekend. All right, here we go. Let's do day trader of the day. And let's get out of here. All right. Just check that. We've answered all the questions over there. And here we go. Let's go to members only right now. If you want to be a member and you want to get on Discord, here is the Discord link. But we're now going to go day trade of the day and see who wins today. Here is the membership link. We do members events, and this is just one of millions and millions of things we do, because we literally do millions of things. There you go. There's the membership link. Okay, go to your main position. Go to your homepage. Are you ready? Okay, let's do it. We're going to go to members only in a second. You think TLT is going back down? I'm not in TLT. I don't know what that is, Jeffrey. I'm afraid. Wait, Tesla at 150. Ooh, that'll be good. Anyway, sorry, 250. Gonna say, where did 150 come from? 250. Yeah, but I don't care about 250 or 253. I mean, I couldn't care less. I'm not as rich as you, Stephen. I'm not buying 5,000 shares of Tesla. I'm gonna buy 2. So for me, it's like, well, I'm gonna buy like 2. So we shall see. Anyway. Okay, let's do day trader of the day. Let's go over now to members only. Here we go. Okay, members only in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I cheated. There you go. I can do it. It's my show, isn't it? Right. Okay, here we go. I'm flat. Look at that. I'm flat. I mean, well, down by the smallest amount. Down 0.05%. I mean, I can't be much flatter than that, right? Down 0.05%. Let's put a minute on the clock. Let's get out of here. Stephen Lewandowski is up 0.15. Nice. Waiting for some more. Down 0.13. So Stephen Lewandowski is in the lead. Down 6.75. Ouch. Cheers for today, mate. Good to see you back. Matt Coverley, thank you. It's great to be here, honestly. It's just best to be live and just focus on having a wonderful time. Down 2.8. So the winner, up 0.15. N-Fades needs to stop it. N-Phase, yes. I could buy that today, couldn't I? I'm going to keep my $2,000 in cash, though. I'm looking for some bigger drops now. I want to hold the cash to start. I want 10 grand in cash, if I'm honest. It looks like the winner is Stephen Lewandowski. Only slightly up, but he's up. Let's congratulate Stephen. He wins a lot. He's one of our top winners. Thank you very much. Give him a thumbs up and give him the sound effects. There we go. Oh, yes. Congratulations, Stephen. Thank you very much indeed. There you go, Stephen Lewandowski. That's it from me. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you back, of course, on Monday. Check out over the weekend for some videos that I might surprise you with. You never know. And it's all a bit of fun, so check it out. We're at 9,997. Slowly going back up again. That's it. Let's roll the credits. Let's see. Did I get any credits? I don't think so. Let's have a look. Stars of my show today. Dexis subscribed and David Burrows. They are real subscribers, not fake ones. Members, Stormin Norman. Welcome Stormin to the family. Stormin Norman is now a member of our family. Not just a member. He's a silver member. Silver member comes in today and he's got silver status. Congratulations, Stephen. Thank you. Stormin Norman, thank you very much for supporting the show. Thanks for being a member. I really appreciate it. Please take advantage of all your perks and benefits. As a silver member, you can have a 20-minute fundraiser. You can have a birthday. You can have all the exclusive content. You can chat on Discord. You can call into the show. You can be live on the show. And all of my members, if you comment below any of my videos, ask me a question, I will answer every one of my members' questions. And I can guarantee that. Everybody else, I can't guarantee I'll be able to answer everyone's questions, but I do answer every one of the members' questions. All right, that's it from me. Thank you ever so much. We're done. We're out of here. I'm gonna have a relaxing weekend. I'm not gonna look at numbers or count subscribers or anything like that. Congratulations, Stephen. Thank you very much, he says. Down 1.2 and the slowest bloke in the room. Don't worry, Jojo S. MSK down 2.98. Congratulations, Nonny315. Stephen Lewandowski, congratulations. Congratulations and each other. Thanks, bye-bye. That's it. I'm done. See you later. Take care of your money. Take care of your crypto. Take care of yourselves. And most importantly, as always, be nice and take care of each other. Bye-bye for now.